So this is the rule. Shun becomes sion. So nation becomes nación. Education becomes educación. Conversation becomes conversación, etc. The only difference, again, is just we're pronouncing your Spanish vowels mainly, and then obviously some consonants are pronounced differently in Spanish, right? But like accent aside, this works, okay? And one helpful tip to really get this rule down is to understand that Spanish words are pronounced exactly as written. And so you just gotta sound them out. Certain words, if you think of a word like, and this is another cognate rule that I'll probably explain later, a word like convenient, in English we pronounce it kind of weird, no? When you look at how it's spelt and then try to say it in Spanish, it sounds different. For example, in Spanish it would be conveniente. In English we might not pronounce each individual vowel, but in Spanish you do. Or if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish cheat sheets, which are all my cheat sheets to help you start learning Spanish with these frameworks. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.